Hello everybody, welcome back. How are you all doing? Good? I've had some very bad news. Somebody, as you can probably guess, has stolen my beard. Can't have anything nowadays. Anyway, today we're back in the kitchen because I like getting moaned at in the comments from American people, so I thought why not try Sloppy Joe's, which is what I usually call my arse when I've had too many Indian curries. What a waste of a good pair of underpants. So, let's stop the waffle and hit the jungle. So we've got all the ingredients. We've got the mincemeat, Worcestershire sauce, which I know some Americans can't pronounce, English mustard. They had French mustard, I think it was. It says Dijon mustard in the recipe, which I think was made by a bloke called Dijon. Got tomato ketchup. It says in the recipe tomato sauce, and that's what I would think is tomato sauce. Maybe they meant puree. And we've got a pepper. I've got a green pepper because I ain't racist, and one little tiny onion. Look how small that onion is. Tiny. So hopefully it doesn't make me cry. And that's it. That's all the things you will need. So let's first brown the mince. Right, so while the mince is browning, I'm going to get the vegetables ready. I've got my big chopper, and hopefully I don't cut fingers off. Yeah. Do I cut the bottom off as well? No. You don't, do you? Don't need the middle bit. Did you know that peppers, different colour peppers, come from the same plant? They're just left longer and then they change colour. Now it's my little onion's turn. I've peeled it. If I just cut that off. Oh, I hate onions. So we've got the mince, and we've just got to brown it. Which will be done. Right, so there's the meat. So there's the mince meat. We're just going to brown it off, which will be done just like. And then we have it. It's all fried up. I've drained off the fat. I don't really like a lot of fat. And we've got to add the onion and the pepper. I think I need a bigger frying pan. Oh, if only you had smell-o-vision. It smells lovely. So you add in a cup of the tomato sauce. Two tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Maybe I shouldn't. What's the problem with it? Two. And then 2 tablespoons of mustard. Just let that to sit here and simmer on a low heat while I prepare the buns. And I don't know why, but the onions are making me cry now. So I've got large white baps. There's one. Slice it, and it says to toast it. So who am I to judge? Let's toast it. Because I've noticed in America, if you're making a sandwich, it's usually toasted and not just buttered bread. So there it is, look, toasting away. I've got a see-through toaster so we can watch it so it doesn't burn. Right. I think that's toasted enough. So now we're going to get some of the mixture and have a go. But what is stopping it from flopping out the sides? And do I need to butter it? Butter the bread? I haven't buttered it, have I? So anyway, I think that's enough because otherwise it will squirt out the sides. There we go, Sloppy Joe. All we have left to do now is taste it and see what it is actually tastes like. Right, so here it is. Will I enjoy it? And have I made it right? You're going to probably moan at me in the comments that I haven't done it right. But like, I think there's not one way of doing something, and you have to experiment to get there in the first place. Stop judging people. Oh, it's hard to pick up. Oh! I think maybe there's a bit too much mustard. I got a very big hit of mustard. Yeah. Not much flavour to it, apart from mustard. Get a nice crunch from the peppers. Oh, and the onions are still making me cry. Not the best thing I've ever eaten in the world, but it's not bad. I'm not sure I'd do it again. Or maybe I'd probably do something a little bit different, maybe not add too much mustard, but that was the recipe I followed. So anyway, I'm going to go and enjoy the rest of this. I hope you enjoyed watching, and let me know how you do things in your part of the world. And I will see you all soon. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe out there. Cheery bye.